Hey everyone, this is Travis with Full Spectrum Laser. Today I have a Muse Titan here, fresh in the crate. We're gonna unpackage this thing, get it out on a table, and show you how to use it. All over the crate, there's gonna be a series of metal tabs that you're gonna wanna pry open. Be careful, these are sharp. Make sure you wear some gloves. All right. Now using a prying tool, open up those tabs. After you've lifted the tabs on the top and the bottom all around, make sure you get some help and lift the top off. I have Jose here with his gloves who's going to help me out. There are a series of tabs on each corner of the crate. If you're limited on space, you can lift each one of those and pull this apart piece by piece. Or if you still have your help and you have the space available, you can lift this all off in one piece, which is what we're going to do. Hold onto the crate and all the packing materials for at least 30 days, just in case something happens. Under the packing foam on each corner, you'll have some lift straps. These are going to be used to get this out of the crate. Stay tuned for the next video where we safely get this out of the crate and set up.